Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here, your independent consultant for EPICURE. I just wanted to talk to you guys about cooking classes first and foremost, especially now, depending on when you are watching this video. We are not doing at-home cooking classes at the moment. We're on lockdown, basically. So we are doing online cooking classes. And for a lot of people, this is something that is extremely new. Cooking classes to begin with is something new for a lot of people, but then to have to switch it up and not do in person, but then to have to do them online can be different. I have actually been a tutor for dental hygiene and dental assisting students for about 15 years now, and I tutor online. So online teaching is something that I have always been doing, not cooking classes, but I'm quite familiar with doing things online. So I was going to do a video to kind of show you guys how to do that. But EPICURE has actually uploaded some new training videos as of, I think, maybe like 3 days ago. So definitely have a look at that. Now, if you guys go under, when you log in, if you first go under to your main page here, you will see they had actually uploaded the new training videos on May the 6th. So you will see new ones. Just click on the first one right there, and then all of these will pop up. So they're between like 20 to 30 minutes in length. Definitely, you guys, watch all of them. And these are perfect because it will show you exactly how to set everything up. There's all kinds of things here. So I suggest looking at that now, even if you're thinking, you know, there's no way that I'll be able to do an online cooking class. Yes, you can. There have been some amazing cooking classes just over the past couple days where people have made a lot of money. They have sold a lot of EPICURE, and everybody who I talked to on my team who has done an online cooking class, they have had at least 2 other cooking classes booked from that. So you might be thinking, oh, online cooking classes don't really work. Yes, they do. So please, you guys, check this out. I couldn't have said it or, you know, taught you guys better myself. They have done amazing. There's quite a few here, so you don't have to watch them all at once, but this is perfect right here. So have a look, and if you guys have any questions, just let me know anytime.